y'all, it's Thatgirlkitaa. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, I am back with another wig install. Today's video is in collaboration with Recool hair, so let's get right into it. So this is everything I received with my unit. They sent a lot of goodies. And this is the unit they sent me. This is their Water Wave 5x5 closure unit, and I have it in 20 inches. Check out this texture, it is so pretty. So the unit does come with 3 attachment combs and an adjustable strap in the back. The hairline is pre-plucked and the knots are already bleached. And look at this lace, you guys. This is their HD lace. It is going to give you the most realistic look and a flawless melt. So the wig did fit pretty snug on your girl's big head, but I mean, it fits, okay? I'm going to use those attachment combs just for extra security, and then I'm going to go ahead and start my zigzag part. I'm pretty satisfied with how the part looks, so I'm going to go ahead and use my wax stick and hot comb to lay down those flyaways and get the wig flat at the top.
Long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. On you on the scene, think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games.
So now to apply the wig, I am of course using my Even Lace spray. I'm only using 1 layer of this.
It's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
And I'm just going to place the lace right on top of that spray once it is tacky. And I like to use a small tooth comb to press the lace into my skin just for a better melt. But once I'm done doing that, I will tie my edges down with Recool's elastic band and move on to styling the rest of the hair.
Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay on your name.
So one thing I love about this texture is how easy it is to maintain it. To style and detangle the hair, I am just spraying the hair down with some water, and I'm going to apply a nice amount of my foaming mousse.
Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time. I claps. All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. When you forget something, baby, you run out of time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. You do what it must make. Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Then my body
Once I brush through all of the hair and it is fully detangled, I like to scrunch the ends just to really help those waves and curls pop. So now with an eyebrow razor, I am going to cut that lace off and start sectioning out my baby hairs.
Wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. Aren't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? What you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain.
So while my baby hairs are setting, I am just going to take some concealer and go over this zigzag part. Y'all, this part was so hard for me because I could not see what was going on at the top of my head. But listen, I was able to clean it up with an alcohol pad. And I mean, I think it turned out pretty cute. So the hair is about 90% dry. I am just going to use my fingers to fluff it up a bit. Y'all know I like big hair. But yeah, this is pretty much the final look, you guys. I am in love with this texture. It is so soft and flowy and just really, really cute. So thanks again, Recool, for sponsoring today's video. Y'all make sure you check out the description box below for all the hair details, and maybe there'll be a little code down there for y'all. But yeah, thanks again, Recool, and everyone else for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Don't